feels good to be back on Black Fury. What the hell is wrong with me? Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna give up trying to start the vlog here. Come on. Come on, man. I don't get why you don't want to... Come on. I mean, I honestly don't get why people don't yield the road to you if they're not gonna ride the speeds that you are. Although, with all due respect, I was doing more than the double the speed limit. Yeah, right now we can talk. What's going on, guys? I'm here with my good buddy. We're going for a quick fuel up. But other than that, I'm feeling a little fast today, boy. Oh man, I tell you, if I don't have that flashing light, it's the only way I know I'm going too fast for the roads here. Man, I tell you, that bike looks pretty rad. Seriously, looks pretty rad. Here we go, baby! Today's video is brought to you by Psycho Cruiser. Alright, so I want to talk to you guys about some of them action cameras. Man, the amount of overlaying I'm gonna have to do on my Speedo today. Come on. So like the title suggests, I'm going to talk about action cameras. There is GoPros, Sony, whatever you want to call them, the GoPro clones, all of them action cams. Now I hear this a lot from the new riders, whoever are new to the scene. They're like, Rider Red, what camera should I buy? What are you using? And what do you suggest us to buy? Alright, you see, this is pretty easy. The camera that I'm using right now is a GoPro Hero 5 Black. And I tell you, man, this camera does everything I need it to do. There's GoPro 7 with better color science, maybe, better stabilization, the hyper smooth whatever, but you don't really need that for vlogging. Maybe as a B-roll camera to go on your bike, actually, to smoothen out all the bumps and stuff on the road. But if you put the hyper smoothing on your helmet camera, everything just looks weird, digitized, and all sorts of wrong. All them beautiful flybys. He's waving me to go. Say no more. So when it comes to stabilization, guys, holy shit, this is not a way to shoot a vlog, but I'm having tons of fun. So when it comes to stabilization, guys, don't think you need any super smooth stabilization. Your head does all the stabilization you need. One thing you should consider though is whether the camera you're buying is gonna accept external microphones, and if it's gonna accept external or replaceable batteries. If it's gonna have replaceable batteries, okay? And of course, you want it to look good. And usually what I've found is if you go with the traditional options of GoPros, the Sony, whatever those action cams are called, if you go with those, you can't go wrong. It's gonna look good. And you're gonna be shooting at 1080, 60 FPS or something anyways. You don't need none of that 4K 60 or whatever. Because usually even YouTube doesn't do that footage justice. And what I've also found is shooting 4K 60 for a vlog fills up your SDs real fast. Real fast. Man, look at that rad bike. I tell ya, fuck yeah. Alright, time to do a GP overtake on the outer side of the turn. Oh yeah. Okay, now with all the stuff said about cameras, I think you're gonna be wondering, Ryder, why doesn't the title suggest I don't buy a GoPro camera? If you got one, why can't I have one? Right? Well, I'm glad you asked. The thing about GoPro cameras, or all cameras, or the point of this video, is that you shouldn't buy an action camera at all. Why is that, you say? Simply because you're not gonna use it. Trust me, you're not gonna use it. Sure, you guys are going out, you guys wanna record the stuff that you're doing, you think it's gonna be super fun, everybody's gonna want to watch your vlogs, but I mean, let's be serious. How much time are you gonna invest into getting good at vlogging and editing and doing all the audio stuff and putting it on YouTube, begging people to watch it? You know what I'm saying? Even I barely make myself do these videos. They're fun, don't get me wrong, but the amount of stuff that goes into this, and the amount of preparation, the amount of effort, the amount of files you have to deal with, sometimes it's just too much, and it's nowhere near as fun as you guys would believe. Hell, some of the rides I don't even video because I just want to, you know, like, take my time and enjoy it to myself as opposed to trying to make the content look good for the vlogs and stuff. And also, I've been vlogging for a while myself, right? Alright, back on the bikes again. We just had to get some drinks because it's fucking hot outside. You know, I was thinking about the topic while just having my drink and all and talking to my body. The thing is, even I myself have been vlogging for, what, 2 years? 3 years in English? 2 years in English for sure. And, man, sometimes it's tough to find the motivation to record more and more. And with all the time and effort I've put into, I'm still stuck at 300 plus subscribers. Sure, I'm doing this for my own sake. I enjoy this and everything, but at the same time, it's tough to find motivation to shoot a vlog. And don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to flex on y'all that I'm doing a vlog, but you're not going to be able to do it. Or whatever you want to, like, see it as. My problem with the vlogging is people think it's just going to be hella fun, but usually what you see in the videos is 20% of what went down. That sure looks fun, but you don't see the non-fun side of things. Again, I'm not trying to flex on you guys. I actually think that whoever wants to put out some content out there deserves applause because it takes a lot of courage, a lot of motivation, a lot of efforts. And if you enjoy talking to yourself in a helmet all alone out there like a fucking psycho, then this might be something you want to do too. But I see a lot of riders, a lot of new riders, get a bike, get a helmet, next thing they want is strap on a action camera on their helmet, and they think it's gonna be you know, the be-all, solve-all problems. They're just gonna start pumping them videos out, not even edit them. Like, they post 2 hours of writing. Usually it's not even talking anything substantial. It's just just writing. And then they're like, you know what, this doesn't get me the views I imagined, doesn't get me the fame I imagined. Why did I even buy the action camera? Why did I even spend money on these things? And it's not like even just buying a camera itself solves everything. Then you're looking for a mic, you're looking for the good formats, you're looking for an SSD to keep all those like files. So the point is, do not buy a camera thinking that you're just instantly gonna become a YouTube star. Buy one if you are sure you're gonna be enjoying the vlog, the video creating content part. Man, I'm getting worn out right now. I can't even properly make sentences. But yeah, like, if you think you're gonna enjoy the video editing part, if you want to be putting out content and practicing your video editing and stuff like that, or your talking skills, then go for it. If you're not, then maybe you should save all that money and invest it into something else, like better gear, like a better helmet, like a better set of tires for your bike. Well, I guess that's gonna sum up this vlog. My personal preference with the cameras is a GoPro Hero 5. I don't like the way Hero 6 looks with the blacks and everything. My preference. I don't think Hero 7 has that much of an addition or a benefit, if I may, over Hero 5 to be paying the double. But either way, you have the links to all the gear that I have in the description below. And if you've ever shot a vlog, if you are shooting a vlog right now, or if you tried but never enjoyed it, never got into it, let me know how it all went down for you. Let me know your stories down in the comments below. And I will talk to you in the next vlog. This was Rider in Red, and if you haven't subscribed just yet, we're gonna send you to Gulag. Get it? Like red, like communism, and Gulags, communism, whatever.